Nature is a masterpiece of harmony, where every element works together to sustain life and inspire awe. The rustle of leaves in the wind, the gentle flow of rivers, and the warm glow of the sun all create a sense of peace that no cityscape can match. Towering mountains stand as silent guardians, while fields of wildflowers burst into color, painting the land with beauty. In nature, every sunrise promises new beginnings, and every sunset whispers of rest. It is a reminder that we are part of something vast and timeless, and that the simplest moments, watching the clouds drift or hearing birds sing, can be the most profound.